guys, my name is Brianna and I am super excited to show you guys how I achieve my silk press at home. I used all OLAPLEX products and I've been using OLAPLEX since 2019. I started out with the number 3, but today I'm going to show you the process using a lot of the products from the line, and you're going to see how to use those in order to get your own silk press at home. I know doing a silk press can be very intimidating, but with this routine and with these products, I guarantee you'll get the best results every single time. So let's jump into it. First things first, we're gonna go in with the 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo, and this is just gonna ensure that all pollutants and product buildup are out of your hair and your hair appears more healthier. I'll just apply this to wet hair and I make sure to concentrate on the scalp and I'll work it through the ends. I'll fully lather my hair and be sure to rinse it all out. This product deeply cleans the scalp and it can be used weekly to remove buildup. Now that my hair is clean, I'm gonna go in with the number 0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment. I'm so happy that OLAPLEX added the spray bottle at the top because it makes this product super easy to use, and it just has a notch here so you can turn it on and off. The number 0 is a hair primer, which is a part of a 2-step treatment that you use with the number 3 Hair Perfector. It primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. You want to be sure to dry your hair as much as possible before adding the number 0, and it's really good to saturate it from root to tip, making sure that the hair is damp, not drenched. I leave this treatment on for 10 minutes without rinsing, preparing it to apply the number 3. So after I go in with the number 0 and let this sit for 10 minutes, then I'll go in with the number 3, the Hair Perfector. The Hair Perfector reduces breakage, strengthens hair, and improves the look and feel. If your hair is damaged, you want to use this 2 to 3 times per week, but if not, you can just use it once per week. As I told you guys, I started off with the number 3 in the beginning of 2019, and this product is magic in a bottle. I absolutely love it, and you can just feel it working. It's super smooth and soft when you put it on. You can feel the bonds being repaired, split ends being repaired. This product is so great, you guys. Not only for chemically treated hair, but also hair that is flat iron, blow dried, any type of damage that may occur. This product is going to strengthen those bonds. It's amazing. When using the number 3 and the number 0 together, it's 68% more repair, and your hair can be 3 times stronger with just one use. After letting the number 3 sit for about 10 minutes, I'll go in and rinse that all out with the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. You guys, this shampoo is so slippery and nice. It definitely gives you a luxurious feel. It makes sure that your hair is getting clean without tangling it and making it dry. I absolutely love this shampoo, and it's definitely a staple in my hair journey. When doing a silk press, you're taking your hair through quite a bit. You're flat ironing, you're blow drying, so you want to make sure at the end of that your hair is still nice, shiny, and flowy. So then you want to go in with the number 8 Bond Intensive Moisture Mask. The number 8 is highly concentrated, and it is a 4-in-1 reparative mask that adds shine, smoothness, and body while providing intense moisture to treat damaged hair. You want to apply this to the midsection of your hair all the way down to the ends. You'll also apply it to the roots, but sparingly. I apply around 2 pumps to each side. Since my hair is thicker and longer, I definitely leave this on for about 10 minutes or more, and then I'm able to really get a really good deep condition if I put my cap on. The number 8 gives the hair 2 times the shine, 4 times the moisture, 6 times the smoothness, and 94% of people saw more body. So this is perfect for a silk press. Now that my hair is nice and conditioned and ready to style, I'll go in with the number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. This hair serum is so weightless and nice and smooth. I love the texture of it, you guys, and it's so nice because it goes into your hair evenly, and it's just really nice when you're trying to detangle because it makes the hair more manageable. I like to divide my hair into 2 sections just so that I can get this product on my hair as evenly as possible. So I apply 1 pump to my towel dried hair, working it from the roots to the ends, and I'll add more if I need, but honestly, you guys, like I said, it definitely distributes really nice. The number 9 also acts as a heat protectant, and it protects up to 450 degrees, which is perfect, of course, for our silk press. And to top it all off, I'll go in with the number 6 Bond Smoother to make the hair really smooth when we go in to blow dry. I apply 1 pump to each side, and I'll add it to the ends, working my way up, and I'll make sure to comb this through as well to make sure that it gets on all of the strands. The number 6 is a leave-in styling treatment that smooths, conditions, and strengthens all hair types and textures without adding hold or excessive weight. Now that my hair is prepped and protected, we'll go in with our blow dryer. My blow drying routine is super simple. I just go in and really take my time while smoothing the hair downward. I like to use a paddle brush because it kind of traps the heat on the back side, and it makes sure that the front and the back of your hair is getting dry. I blow dry it on medium heat and medium power level just to make sure that the air is coming out consistently and even, and I can control where the hair is moving. Concentrating on blow drying the ends first can reduce breakage because of course we know that our hair is at its most fragile state when it's wet. So you just want to make sure that your ends are dry before you go in to dry your roots. Once I've blow dried all of the sections of my hair, then I'll go in with a cool shot. This kind of just seals all those products and everything in, and it also makes sure that my hair is all dry because of course if my hair is still wet, then the cool air can help me feel that. It also aids in cooling the hair down to prepare your hair for flat ironing. When flat ironing, I also go in with sections because this is the best and easiest way for me to make sure that I'm getting the root to the end when flat ironing. You don't want the sections to be too big because you want to make sure that your flat iron is getting all the strands. I only flat iron on 375 because OLAPLEX products are so perfect. It kind of helps when I'm blow drying, so when I go in with my flat iron, I don't have to do much work. So 375 is just enough heat to get my hair silky and straight. I chase the flat iron with my paddle brush or a rat tail comb, whichever one you would like, but I like a paddle brush because it kind of holds more hair and you're kind of able to make sure that the strands are separated so all the strands are getting enough heat and no hair is left behind. I do more passes on my roots because I do have new growth, so essentially those parts of my hair are natural and not chemically treated. So the roots do need a little bit more attention, so I just do a couple of more passes and then I go down the length of the hair. OLAPLEX products make my silk press so much easier because the products already have smoothed my cuticles and just made life so much easier. There's less flyaways and it's also just a really nice smooth finish, so you don't have to do much when blow drying or flat ironing. To finish the style off, I'll just go in with the number 7 bonding oil. This oil is super lightweight and it is so good with getting down those flyaways and also adding a weightless, beautiful shine to the end result. I love the applicator of this bottle because not much oil comes out and you're able to have more control with how much product you want to use. The number 7 bonding oil repairs damaged and compromised hair, strengthens and protects hair structure, and it also restores healthy appearance and texture. This oil can be used daily on wet and dry hair or before styling with heat. Trust me, I know silk presses can be very tricky, but when I started using OLAPLEX, it made me a believer that I can actually do this on my own at home, you guys. The products matter. I'm gonna say that one more time. The products matter. I absolutely love the way that OLAPLEX adds so much shine, so much body without weighing my hair down. It's like the perfect marriage of products. These products are undefeated and this silk press is undefeated. So if you follow this routine and just add your own spin to it as you may, because everybody's hair is different. Some people have thinner hair, some people may have thicker hair, so you may have to use less product or more. That's up to your discretion, but cater this routine to your hair and I promise you will see beautiful results and your hair will start thanking you for years and years to come. So thank you so much to OLAPLEX for allowing me to show the girls my routine and how I do things and how I achieve this beautiful silk press. And of course, thank you OLAPLEX for creating amazing products for all hair types. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you OLAPLEX for having me. Bye. Mwah.